How to make a new account on TikTok. Making a new account on TikTok is actually fairly simple. For this, all you have to do is first of all launch the TikTok app, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Now when you open up TikTok, there are many ways to create TikTok account with. You can continue with your Facebook, Apple or Google account, or if you already have an account, you can tap on the login button. Now you can also use a phone number that you want to use for TikTok, but if you don't have a phone number, you can also choose continue with email option right here that you can see, and simply enter the new email address that you want to use in this case. And once you enter the email address that you want to use, tap on the send code option. It will send a verification code. After that, you have to create a password. Once you create a password and tap the next option, your TikTok account will be successfully created. This way you can make a new account on TikTok. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.